So in 40 seconds, we continue. Just 10 minutes. The second part is going to be 10 minutes. And it's going to be cardio. No. It's going to be core. Claude Joseph. Sending claps. Thank you, Claude Joseph. Yes. Blind guy, his wife, their life. Corey and Laquita. Welcome. So together we are strong, guys. We are doing a great job for our future selves. So it's delayed gratification. We are not going to see the immediate results, but the immediate results could be like good sleep, but the big results are in the future. All right. Now take your yoga mat, unwind it. Let's get ready. The second part, we're going to be moving for 30 seconds and then we rest 10 seconds. Let's go. We continue. This is the modified mountain climbers. Beautiful. Now next one, we stay here in the high plank. Modified is you put your knees on the ground, but you're not like this. You make sure you're from here to there, you're in one plank. All right. Core tight and push your hands hard into the ground. All right. Now, we're going to be doing knee cross body to the elbow. So make sure when you place your feet on the ground, they are shoulder width apart. Beautiful. Queen Aggie, welcome in the building. Now the next one, we're going to side plank. If you want, you could be dipping your hip down. And so 3 levels, and the hardest being like this. So the elbow is right below my shoulder. Five seconds. All right, let's go on the other side. So modified would be like this, and then level 2 would be going down with the hip. Level 3. So make sure you're really contracting your core to bring the hip up. And go down slowly. Beautiful. Now, we are here. The exercise we are going to do is bicycle. This is the level 1. You're just doing knee scissors. And level 2, you're straightening your legs. Alternately, press your core. And make sure your toes are really pointing at the ceiling. Not like this. We're not doing flutter kicks. We're just doing bicycles. Wonderful. Now, lie down. Put your hands here at your thighs. Each time you lift your shoulders from the ground, Then you go back down slowly. So as soon as the shoulders come from the ground, you reverse the movement slowly. So when you're going slowly, you're also working the muscle. In the eccentric movement, the coming up is the concentric, and going down is the eccentric or the negative. Wonderful. Right, figure 4. Put your hands, one hand here on the opposite hand, and then you come, you bring the elbow to the knee. On the other side, the palm is facing down and the arm is straight at the same height as the shoulder. Beautiful. Hand flat on the ground, palm facing down. Figure 4. Let's go. So make sure your shoulder touches the ground completely before you initiate a new repetition. Wonderful, guys. So next one, you start from here. You raise one hand, but you also come, and then the hands cross your foot. Each time you alternate. Contract your core. Go down slowly. David hand help. Aloha. Beautiful. Now, sit upright, bend your knees, and then lean back. Put your hands together, and you're just twisting. This one is good for the obliques. Wonderful. So now we are going to high boat. To high boat, you start from this position, and then stay just here. Palms are facing down, core tight, and don't tuck your chin in. The core is burning. That is what we are looking for. That means the intensity was good. If you do a workout and you don't feel it before you end it, then that workout was too easy. Wonderful. Now, knees above the hip. Now we're just going to do regular crunches. Seconds. Beautiful. Not easy, but we got this, guys. All right. Now we are going to high to low plank. So modified, it's like this, and then non-modified. Remember to switch the side you come up first. So when you're working the body, you should always try to balance the workload. Beautiful. Final one, come in this position. Palms below the shoulders, knees below the hip. Now raise the knees from the ground. Hold it. We're almost there. The core is enjoying. Ambassadors David Hunt and Irene Zab, thank you for sharing. If you want to join the ambassadors, all you have to do is to share one of the content, and then I will add you among the ambassadors of this channel. Thank you so much for gifting yourself a good dose of movement. Every minute you spend working out is a minute spent strengthening your future self. Yes, Aggie in the building saying bye. But first, thank you guys. It was a pleasure having all of you here. It was fun. And the next workout is going to be on Friday. Thank you so much. And hope to see you in the next one. Have a lovely evening. Thank you so much. And bye-bye.